I'll show you how I create MrBeast subtitles in under 3 minutes using CapCut for free. The first thing you want to do is to open CapCut. Once you're on the home page, click on Create New Project. Now you're going to import your video. You can either drag it into CapCut or simply click on the import button. Once your video is imported, drag it to the timeline. In order to have an accurate result, you'll need MrBeast's font, which you can download using the link in the description. But you can use any other similar font that's already loaded in the software. On the top left corner, there's options. Click on text, then click on auto captions, select your language and click on the blue button where it says create. This should take less than 30 seconds, depending on the length of the video and how fast your internet is. Just like that, your captions has been created. For now, it's still looking plain and boring. Let's make it interesting. On the right corner, we have more options. Under text, click on font and choose the font you downloaded. You can also choose bangers. It's similar to MrBeast's font. Adjust the size to 10. The font is looking good, but we still need to play with it. Under font, you are going to click on preset style and choose the first one, which has black stroke. Scroll down, reduce the stroke to 34, select shadow, increase opacity to 100%, reduce blurriness to 0, keep distance at 8 and angle at -28. By default, every changes you make to one caption apply to all the others. Now, to keep people entertained, like MrBeast, the captions need to be popping at least 1 or 2 words at a time. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Select the first caption. While using sound waves as reference, you're going to slice after every 1 or 2 words spoken. After slicing, listen to your playback and keep only 1 word per slice and delete the rest. Do this for all the slices until you have words flashing like this at a correct timing. The last step requires you to add the pop effects on all your texts. It's so easy. Select all your captions. At the top, click on animation, select in, scroll down and select the bounce in animation. Adjust the duration to 2 seconds. Once you do that, you should be able to get a closer result to MrBeast's captions. Well done! See you soon with more editing tools.